In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert an object into a Microsoft Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I have this Word document and I wish to go ahead and insert an object, and for this case is a Microsoft Excel table inside this Word document. To do this is quite simple. First, go ahead and click on Insert and then choose this option called Object. Now if you click down here, you can either insert text from file or object. So I'll go with object, and here we have this option to select the object. If you want to create a new from scratch, go ahead and create one, but if you already have the object or the file from your computer, choose create from file, and here now we have an option to browse and select the object or the file. So I'll click on browse and I'll be taken to my computer, and my object is under downloads. So I'll go under downloads and find the Microsoft Excel table that I have, and here it is. I'll click on it and then click on insert. At this point, go ahead and click on OK, and this will go ahead and insert the Microsoft Excel table inside my Microsoft Word document. And as you can see, here is our table. Now if you go ahead and double click on it, it will go ahead and just open the Microsoft Excel table, and this will be overlaid inside your Word document. To exit, just click outside and you'll have exited from that. Now sometimes you may want to insert the table or the object in form of an icon. If you want to insert or embed the object as an icon, it is still possible. Just go ahead and click where you want to insert the object and then click on insert, and then again go to object, and here choose the format. We want object, and now again go to create from file and choose the object from your computer. So I'll go ahead and choose my Microsoft Excel file and click on insert. Now at this point, go ahead and choose the option display as icon here. So if you check on this, now you'll have an option to choose the icon type. For instance, you can see this is a Microsoft Excel file. You can change the icon by clicking on change icon here, and you have options here. The icon you wish to select will be inserted. So I'll go ahead and choose this. So if I click on this and then OK, again OK here, now this will go ahead and insert the icon or the file or the object in form of an icon. If you want to open this file or object represented by an icon, just go ahead and double click on it, and you can see this will open or will take you straight to Microsoft Excel, where you can edit your table straight from here. So that's how you can insert objects in your Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.